to play a game? Great. This game is called the Elimination Process. It's really simple. I just need everyone to stand up. It's interesting how you collectively didn't stand up then. Could everyone stand up now, please? It's quite easy. You can play along if you're listening at home. All you have to do, I'll just ask a question and then you just sit down if it doesn't apply to you, okay? So, sit down if you had Kellogg's Crunchy Nuts for breakfast. One guy sat down then. That's interesting. Sit down if you've ever got yourself locked in a bathroom of your own house twice. And had to wait for your housemate to come home 3 hours later. And they were useless. Sit down if you're the kind of person in your house that always leaves the lights on. Wasting electricity, guys. Come on. I love these two here. This guy just sat down and his partner, wife, or whatever, just looks at him like, yeah. Stop it. Might be the same person. Sit down if you have a habit of turning the heating on, even though it's mid-July. I feel like some of you are just wanting to sit down now. Everyone who's still standing, good on you. Thank you for committing. Sit down if you are the kind of person who will finish the milk, but will leave the empty carton in the fridge. Ooh. That was an interesting reaction, wasn't it? Everyone just suddenly went, ooh. Sit down if, and I can't imagine anyone will for this one. Or leave, I don't know. Sit down if you still use a landline. Yeah, why would you? It's 21st century. Some people over there. Get a mobile. A smartphone. Sit down if you have tested your smoke alarm in the last 3 months. Well, he's already sat down, so it doesn't apply to him. Guys, stay safe. Test your smoke alarms. You never know where you might need it. Sit down if your wardrobe is full of pictures of clothes. Just me? Sit down if you stood outside Fiona Bridgewell's house at 3 o'clock in the morning weeping. Sit down if your cat has ever caught you masturbating. And I thought I was the only one. Sit down if you find this voice irresistible. Stand back up if you found this voice irresistible. Thank you. You just don't want to move, do you? Sit down if you are not wearing glasses. Ooh. Oh, that's really narrowed it down to 3 people. Sit down if you are male. Oh, sit down if you are not wearing... Sit down if you're not her. What is your name? Kelly. Nice to meet you, Kelly. You are through to the next round. Please welcome Kelly to the stage. She's got some distance to travel, so keep that applause going. Okay, Kelly, really, really great to have you here. We're now going to have the heavy breathing contest. It's really, really very easy. We're just going to have a competition to see who can breathe the loudest. I'll go first, and then we'll do you. And then you can decide on the winner. How does that sound? Great. So, can we get a drum roll, please? Okay, Kelly's turn. Can we get a drum roll for Kelly? I don't know, Kelly. Be more creepy. Well, everyone's Kelly? Okay, so now to say your winner. Big whoops and cheers if you want Kelly to win. And big whoops and cheers if you want me to win. Not as many. And round of applause for Kelly. Thank you very much. And that's it for me. I've been Dan Nicholas. Have a wonderful Sunday. And that. Bye.
Let's keep it rolling. An actor who's a stalwart of